Good morning. Hi everyone. Hello. And let's start. At first, a quick introduction. We are talking about software called TreeShade. You can install TreeShade from Adobe Exchange. From Creative Cloud, search for TreeShade, and you can install totally free. It's an extension for Adobe InDesign, in addition to Photoshop and Illustrator, based on Adobe Bridge for content management and file management. It helps in automation, bulk productions for design and content in dynamic and flexible way. There is a local server also. You can run the local server as Node.js server. After installing and creating the root folder, here I have this root folder, trst, you will have a file main.js on the root folder and execute as a Node.js server, and you will have a server that you can use to fill content remotely as a markdown and content management system using customized elements. So you can make template, a list of elements customized depending on your project, and you can generate the design remotely depending on the local server with Adobe applications, where Adobe InDesign open the document and export the PDF. In this session we will talk about dynamic link. So let's make empty project. Here inside workshop, this folder, the location for your project files, and here you're supposed to put your project files and edit them inside workshop. So let's create a folder. Let's name any dynamic. Okay. Now we have folder called dynamic inside workshop. From TreeShade menu, let's use this submenu where when you install the software, a list of template files will be copied here, so you can use as shortcut to duplicate the template file in the current folder. You can edit this submenu, reveal this path here, add the files, remove files, and restart Adobe Bridge to have different commands here. You can also add separated new path, but by default when you install TreeShade you will have this inside workshop, initial and new. And here let's go back to our folder dynamic, and let's create InDesign document from Creative Cloud InDesign. Let's name layout, and let's open. Let's put Adobe Design on the left and Adobe Bridge on the right. Now let's copy any file to the folder. Now let's drag and drop the file here. Okay, there is a feature in TreeShade that you can modify the link file, change its name, move from folder to folder, and TreeShade will automatically fix the link, so no need to relink to the correct file name. Like here, if we name mountains, now in Adobe InDesign the link will be automatically relinked. Now it's missed, so it must be relinked. Sometimes you need to refocus on Adobe InDesign document. I clicked in Adobe Bridge, then clicked again in InDesign. Okay, anyway, now we will talk about from TreeShade menu. If you select a link from TreeShade menu, there is a command called set dynamic link on selected. Here you have variables you can use to make a dynamic link. So TreeShade relink to correct file depending on these variables, like document name, document order, page number. Let's try page number. Let's say you want to relink. So here the current document means $/ means the current document. Then here let's write page number. You can write like this, or you can write just PN. You can write the abbreviation, the first characters of these two words, and asterisk. Dot asterisk. So despite the extension. Okay. Now the file must be the page number, 4 digit, represented by 4 digit. So if we this is the first page, let's make numbering and section options, and let's put here 7. Okay, now the page number is 7. Let's copy a different file. And let's rename to 4-digit 7, and now let's save the document. Save the document, or you can from TreeShade menu select update links record. So let's try. Update links record. See the document, the TreeShade automatically relink to this file 7 because the link have dynamic path. So it's page number despite the extension. Okay, that's it. If the file exists, the correct file exists, the TreeShade will relink to that file. But what if the file does not exist? So let's try again. Let's delete. Let's see if we change the page number to 12. Numbering and section options, and here 12. And now let's update. There is no link with the number 12. What if we update record? Nothing happens. So if the link is not exist, the file will not be relinked. So if we put let's put any file. Okay, now let's rename 12 4-digit, and now let's update records or save the document. Update links record. See, it's relinked because the file exists. Now let's try a different variable. So suppose we have icons in text. So let's make icons. Let's make folder called icons. And here from TreeShade menu, we have icons installed with the software. Icons. Let's put some icons. Okay, suppose now we want to create character style. So depending on the character style, TreeShade automatically relink to the files that have the same name as the character style. So now here let's make some text. Let's make paragraph style. Okay. Now let's put also icons. Okay. Now let's create character style for these icons. Let's name here pill, the same name as the file. Pill, the same file name, and one p-hence, and another agenda. Okay. Now we have three character styles for each icon. Now let's assign a dynamic link on the icon. So from TreeShade menu, select set dynamic link on selected, and now we want to use character style here. You can copy this or you can just write CS abbreviation despite capital letters, small letters, no problem. Okay. Now let's make three styles, three paragraphs. At first, let's assign paragraph style agenda. The second, p-hence, and the third, bell. And now let's update the record. Update links record. Nothing happens. Why? So let's solve this problem and return back to solve. Thank you for watching and goodbye.